Mathomong go be go na le tlhaelelo ya moento ga bjale ke batho ba ba sa ipona ga tšego go tika go bile gona renkeng ya dithekisi ya Bara ka Labobedi ba ba šetšego ba etšwa phapošing ya batho ba go lwala ka kudu ba na le ngongorego.
ICU was a terrible experience. It was cold.
Kanya Ntaki ke yo mo wa bona o sa gopola ba lapa la molwetši a bego a na le yena ka phapošing ba mo laela la mafelelo ka Disemere.
They were saying goodbye to him. And that in that moment, I realized that I actually could be next.
Le ga phologile o ile a dika go entelwa.
I thought to myself, I've had COVID, I almost died. Why should I bother? What's the point of getting a vaccine? And I thought, if the vaccine can prevent me from dying, then I will take it, because I don't want to ever go through that experience again.
We know people who have lost their lives tragically to this pandemic. And so it's important not to be complacent.
Ngaka Daniel Israel o re bontši jwa bao ba ile go ba fetelwa ke twatši ba lobile maphelo nakong ya lephoto la mathomo la diphetetšo tša COVID-19 e upša go fetogile.
In this third wave, of those a few hundred who had been vaccinated who still got COVID, very, very few got sick. What I mean by sick is sick enough that they needed to be admitted to hospital or ventilated or even died.
Ifela ba kgorwa tša maphelo ga ba je diwela.
The worrying trend, fellow South Africans, is that overall, in the last 7 days, there has been an 18.2% increase in new infections over that 7-day period, compared to the previous 7 days. So while the curve had started to show a downward trend, it is now picking up again, driven largely by the Western Cape, KZN, the Eastern Cape, but also the Northern Cape, as I've said, which has never really gone down from the second wave and just went straight into the third wave. By yesterday, 5 p.m., we had reached 10,167,000 vaccinations, doses which have been administered. This includes the second doses of a Pfizer vaccine. The total population which is fully vaccinated, either with a J&J 1 dose or with a 2 dose of Pfizer, now stands at 4.62 million people.
Lesolo la go entela badudi ba ka godimo ga mengwaga e lesomeseswai le thomile le hono. Ke Maare ke tla motlhabe wa ditaba tša SABC Johannesburg.